Today is Shiva Jayanti, and on this auspicious day, I am very happy to have you all here for the publication of the two booklets. On the dais, we have Miss Anna Hahn, Exchange Partner Coordinator from Germany, from Helmholtz-Schuler, Mr. Markus Fischeler, Max Muller Director, Max Muller Goethe Institute. We have Dr. Sharad Kunte, our famed philosopher and guide. We also have Ashok Palande, Vice Chairman, Deccan Education Society, and we have Dhananjay Kulkarni, Secretary, Deccan Education Society, and Dr. Nitin Kulkarni, Officiating Principal of Ferguson College. And here there are so many dignitaries, I think I have to name everyone, so I am not doing that, but I am very, very happy that you all are here. We will start the program by reciting Manasseh Shlok in Marathi and German. Every year in Germany, we start our cultural program by reciting Manasseh Shlok. They are translated by Dr. Vinita Mahazani, our ex-head of the German department, Ferguson College.
श्रेष्ठ भाविष्ट जीवी धरावे, मना बोलणे नीच शोषित जावे, स्वये सर्वदानं ब्रह्माचे वदावे, मना सर्व लोकांसी नीव भावे, नको रे मना द्रव्य ते पुढियांचे, अति स्वार्थ बुद्धी रे पाप साचे, खडे भोगणे पाप ते कर्म खोटे, न होता मना सारिखे दुःख मोठे, जगी सर्व सुखी असा कोण आहे, विचारे मना तुझी शोधून पाहे, मनात वांछिले पूर्व संचित केले, दया सारिखे भोगणे प्राप्त झाले. Silence in the mood and fruit, Nasidul and Björses Mut, Sprich the fish, sei gut, bring den Seelen Frieden und Blut, wünsche nie, was dir nicht gehört, dich verdient die Selbstsuche und die Untat zur Sünde führt, und das Gewollte nie erreicht. Wer die Sünden in dieser Welt, mein Geist bedenke diese Welt, deine Taten, gute oder schlechte, fallen auf dich doch.
This really creates atmosphere, and Manasseh Shlok, they are so easy to understand and there is so much philosophy in it, and when we sing in Marathi as well as German, it really creates a great impact. Thank you so much. This was a previous batch who had come last year to Germany. Now may I request Dr. M.M. Kulkarni to deliver his welcome address, please.
Good afternoon. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to Ferguson College. We are all gathered here to celebrate our partnership for future schooling with German institutes through the book launch of the exchange programs. Respected Mr. Markus Fischeler, Director, Max Muller Bhavan, respected Ms. Anna, German Exchange Partner Coordinator, Honorable Dr. Sharad Kunte sir, former Chairman of Governing Body and Council, Deccan Education Society, Honorable Advocate Ashok G. Palande, Vice Chairman, Governing Body and Council, Deccan Education Society, Honorable Sri Dhananjay Kulkarni sir, Secretary DES, Dr. Savita Kankar, author of the book and Indian Exchange Organizer, Ms. Kalyani Parakar, Exchange Coordinator, Sri N.A. Kulkarni sir, Mr. Makarand Kaikar, Tejasvi Vardhan, Head Language Course Coordinator, Shruti Naigavkar, Project Coordinator for Pre-Integration Water Institutes, Max Muller Bhavan, and all other former participants and well-wishers of German exchange program. I feel very proud to mention that the German was started 110 years back at New English School, NESD, and Ferguson College. Now in our other institutes like BMCC, DS School, we have a regular German course, and as a hobby, we have started German course in Ahilya Devi, Raman Bagh, and Wellington College, Sali. Our junior college is a past partner, and I have been there to sign the Memorandum of Understanding. Last year, German Ambassador and Counselor General visited Ferguson College. Since 1997, many students got a chance to visit Germany, and also many German students visited us, stayed with their families. From each other, we can learn a lot. I once again welcome you to the book launch of our most enthusiastic and popular teacher of German, Dr. Savita Kaikar. Thank you.
Now may I request Kunte sir to felicitate Herr Fischer. These mugs are specially made. We have completed 34 years and it's written 35 because we'll be carrying them to Germany when we go. May I request Palande sir to felicitate Anna Khan, please. Palande sir. Ulta zala, sorry. Now I request Swati to bring more mugs because I want to give everyone that mug because it's the memory that we get. Yeah. And I'll be requesting now Anna to give those mugs because they are our future exchange. So ich bitte Sie und du kannst die andere Mug schenken. Ja? May I request Anna to present the mugs to Dr. N.M. Kulkarni sir, Palande sir, Kunte sir and B.A. Kulkarni. Du schenkst bei der steht Helbunschule, ne? Kunte sir. See, the partner school name is also there, Helbunschule. So I have requested her to do that. The honor, B.A. Kulkarni sir, please. Palande sir. And Dr. N.M. Kulkarni sir. Swati Lati is our ex-student. She studied German with me from 11th. Now she's a teacher who teaches German as well as Japanese, and she had also been to Germany twice with me. So we would also like to say thank you to few people here. Kalani, Nandita. We have Tejasvi and Shruti. May I request you to Bhosle sir आहेत का? Bhosle sir बोलो? Okay. Nandita, with you please. Yeah, Nandita, please give it to Tejasvi ma'am. Thank you so much. Shruti, please. We also have our ex-HM from Ahilya Devi, Shinde madam, and special thanks to Shinde madam because see, it's a granted school and she really could convince many students, and we have 25 students from Ahilya Devi. And Herr I would like to tell you that Consul General gave a special visa appointment, and I said they don't have, many times they don't have these 3 years returns and all. So everybody got visa, and that was really a memorable trip. We also have our N.M. Kulkarni sir, our Vice Principal, who always supports us. May I request you, Vijay. Swati? This is just token of appreciation. Otherwise, everybody who is present here, I want to give, but I don't have so many much. Thank you, sir. Joshi Mama, stage वर या तुम्ही त्यांच्या हातातनं घ्या. Joshi, Mr. Joshi is always there, for any program. So may I request here, Vichela. He is the one who actually does so many programs for us, and this is just to say thank you, because years together he's always there. Something goes wrong and we tell him, what is it, Joshi Mama, this didn't happen, but when so many things happen, we never give recognition to it. Thank you so much. Mayuresh Kulkarni, who always organizes his tours. Mayuresh and Yogesh, both of you come on the dais. Is Yogesh here? Yeah, Yogesh, you can come with your daughter as well as your wife. Yeah, Tatyana, you can also come on the stage. Come. See, when you have to organize a tour, then you have to do so many things, and they are the people who does it for us. So I want to really say thank you. Yeah, come, both of you. Mayuresh and Yogesh, do what you do. Yeah, one give it to Anna, one give it to Shiva. Yeah, Tatyana, come. Tatyana comes from Russia and they have a cute baby. So I said she'll learn now direct Marathi. Thank you so much, Mayuresh and Yogesh. आनंद भांडवलकर आहेत का इथे? आनंद भांडवलकर किंवा बाळू कलकुडे आहेत का? त्या दोघांनी पुस्तक बनवलेले आहे. If they are there, I would like to request them to come on the dais, or will be felicitated later. Okay, now I think it's time to do the publication of the booklets. Actually, Anil Kulkarni sir, I have written few articles, but these are the articles written by many of our students, and they all are here. So I request Anna and Vichela. There are two books. In one book, there are 3 exchange programs. That was before COVID, and we had organized an exchange. We even had our visas to go in May, and then COVID happened in March. And so we were so upset. So 2 years we couldn't do anything. But now we'll be launching 2 books. One is last year's with Helmut Schuler. These are the students. Once the book launching is done, you all will be coming on the stage, and we are also requesting Shinde ma'am and who else is there from the exchange to come on the dais. Yes. So may I request you to do the honor, please? Yeah, both of you. Yeah. Now I request all of you to come on the stage, so you'll get your books also, and we will have a nice photo. So last. Now I request all of you to come on the stage, so you'll get your books also, and we will have a nice photo. So last year's exchange tools, please. Swati. All of you will stand here, and then we will have a nice picture. Come. Last time's exchange, who are there, may I request you to come fast on the dais. Come. Shindira. चालेल ना, विद्यार्थ्यांना पण येऊ दे. They are from Ahilyadevi. I am so happy that you could come. Come. See, if the leader is good, then everything is possible, and I really admire her, because for other schools like Ferguson College or BMCC College, the crowd which we have, they have paying capacity, but there is no capacity. But there are so many students who went to Germany and they like change and they are so smart and they can go anywhere in the world now. Shindira.
मी माईक समोर उभी आहे, त्यामुळे बोलताना थोडंसं अडखळल्यासारखं होईल, त्याबद्दल सगळ्यांना क्षमा मागते. व्यासपीठावरील सर्व मान्यवर आणि पुस्तक प्रकाशनासाठी उपस्थित आपण सर्वजण नमस्कार. अहिल्यादेवी शाळेची सहल जर्मनीला जाण्यासंदर्भात संपूर्ण जे काही सहकार्य आम्हाला मिळालं ते मुख्य म्हणजे केळकर मॅडमचंच. त्यांनी हो दिल्यामुळेच आम्ही न भूतो न भविष्यती अशी आमची ही शाळेच्या विद्यार्थिनींची जर्मनी सहल अतिशय उत्तम आनंदात पार पडली. आता या क्षणाला सुद्धा प्रत्येक क्षण डोळ्यासमोरून पुढे जात आहे. आम्ही काय काय अनुभवलं, शाळांमध्ये भेटी दिल्यानंतर तिथल्या शाळेचं वातावरण, शिस्त, या सगळ्या गोष्टी आम्ही या जर्मन सहलीमध्ये अनुभवल्या. आणि हा अनुभवण्याचा योग केवळ आणि केवळ फक्त केळकर मॅडममुळेच आम्हाला हे सगळं शक्य झालं. वास्तविक पाहता शाळेतल्या विद्यार्थिनींना एवढ्या कमी पैशामध्ये जर्मन ट्रिपला जाणं शक्य नाही, परंतु यासाठी मान्यता घेणं, सगळीकडे शाळा येते, शाळेच्या विद्यार्थिनी येत आहेत, त्यांच्या बजेटमध्ये सगळं बसवणं, यासाठी लागणारं सहकार्य त्यांना मिळालेलं आहे. तिथे गेल्यानंतर डोळे आणि कान याच्यामध्ये 4 बोटांचं अंतर असतं. प्रत्यक्ष तिथलं अनुभूती विद्यार्थ्यांनी घेतल्यामुळे त्यांच्यामध्ये स्वयंशिस्त, स्वयंअध्ययन, सामाजिक ऐतिहासिक वारसा जपण्याची ज्या ज्या काही चांगल्या गोष्टी आहेत त्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी नक्कीच आत्मसात केल्या. आणि आम्ही अतिशय आनंदात ही सहल अनुभवू शकलो. इथे जमलेल्या अनेक विद्यार्थिनी असतील तर त्यांनाही मी असं सांगेन की तुम्ही भविष्यात पुन्हा एकदा केळकर मॅडम सोबतच अशा या जर्मनीच्या ट्रिपचा अनुभव घ्या. आणि मला या ठिकाणी 2 मिनिटं माझं मत मांडण्याची संधी दिली याबद्दल मी
Thank you so much. Now may I request Herr Vicello, Mr. Marcus Vicello, to introduce himself. He is the Maxwell Director of the Institute of Maxwell Government, and we are very happy to have him, sir.
Honorable guests on stage and at the hall, I'm extremely honored to be here for the first time at this historic place where the successful story of German in India began 110 years now, exactly, at Ferguson College here. Thank you very much for this invitation, which I have accepted with a great pleasure. I want to tell you a little story. Last week, all the Goethe Institutes in the region of South Asia had a meeting with a training program included. And the topic of the training was artificial intelligence. There was one colleague, she asked, "Will artificial intelligence replace my job?" And one expert replied, "It will not automatically replace jobs, but artificial intelligence will replace the jobs of colleagues who don't learn how to use artificial intelligence." And this expert on artificial intelligence had a strong recommendation for us, namely, offer more face-to-face performance at the Goethe Institute. Utilize the uniqueness of direct human communication, of meeting your customers and partners in your institutes, and strengthen the special nature of physical direct encounters. I think it's fair to say at this place, Ferguson College, with your student exchange programs, you are a pioneer in interesting physical encounter and exchange formats, and you have been for more than 25 years. Congratulations on this. Also on the award, the Order of Merit, which you received, Dr. Kröger, for your initiatives and its committed implementation. So, if what the expert says it's true, then the physical student exchange is still a topical point. Perhaps even more than ever. Not against digital exchange formats, of course, but together with them. And I'm sure that WhatsApp and TikTok also play a role in your exchange projects. I think it's very nice that you not only involve the parents after the projects, but that you also document themselves. And the presentation of a new book brings us together today. I would like to congratulate on this, and I wish you, Dr. Kelker, the Ferguson College, and above all your students, further successful exchange projects. And thank you very much for our excellent cooperation between Ferguson College and the Goethe Institute Landsmüller. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Herr Vicello. It's always any project we want to do, we always do it with maximal level. We are also past partners and we are very comfortable, and ultimately the aim is to do something better for our future students. That's why I think we all do it together and we succeed. Now I request Mr. Dhananjay Kulkarni, Secretary of Technical Education Society, to express himself. He has been to Denmark and he is involved in many projects. As a secretary, he looks after all the institutes. We have people here who look after many institutes and really guides us. So, Dhananjay Kulkarni,
thank you, Dr. Savita Kelkar ma'am. Dignitaries on the dais, Mr. Marcus Bichele, Director of Max Muller Bhavan, Ms. Anna Hahn, the exchange partner coordinator from the Germany, our ex-former chairman of Governing Body and Council, Dr. Sharad Jikunte, very respectable person, vice chairman of the governing body, Advocate Ashok Rao Palante, then the Kelkar madam, who is the backbone of the exchange program, Dr. N.M. Kulkarni, Principal of Ferguson College, Narayan Kulkarni, Vice Principal of Ferguson College, then Maheshji Pohankar, who is present over here, then Mayuresh Kulkarni, Yogesh Kulkarni, Tejaswani Vartak, Shruti Naidawkar from Max Muller Bhavan, Mr. Kelkar, then Kalyani Paradkar and German teachers, all the students who participated in the exchange program. Very good evening to one and all. It's a matter of joy and pride to unveil and to release the book which is written on the exchange program. It's a matter of pride for the Ferguson College and Deccan Education Society to conduct to start the German language 110 years ago in the Ferguson College itself. And from that time itself, we can say that the root of or the seed of the exchange program was sown in the soil of the Ferguson College and India. And later on, Dr. Savita Kelkar took the initiative in starting the exchange program, and wherein students got the opportunity to visit Germany and to interact with the exchange partner schools, and that enriched the experience of all the students. It was initially confined to the Ferguson College itself. Initially it was for senior college, then it came to junior college, and she continued to extend this facility and opportunity to the schools also, and that was really very important because it's a primitive age wherein students get exposure to visit the other country and they understand what is the life and what are the challenges over the before them or before the entire world. And in the exchange program, the beauty of this, not the students, they are not staying in the hotel, but they are staying with their families. And that is how they understand the cultural differences and cultural connect with the Indian culture and the culture in the Germany. And that really enrich the experience of the students. There could be initially some misconceptions about the cultural differences, and students go by hearsay, but it is not so. The fact could be different, and that's why students get exposure when they stay. They understand what are the challenges before the student who are studying in Germany, and other governments, so what privilege they get and what the privilege Indian students get and what are the challenges before. So to understand the culture, to respect each other's culture, and even the geographical differences are there that they could understand, and how students become independent, that they experience through the exchange program. So through the exchange program, it is not only enriching experience, but it's an essential part of the globalization. So when you are a student, you should not be confined to your country, but you should have a global perspective. And from that point of view, the student could get the experience through the exchange program, and to understand each other's view and to respect each other's view. That is also very important. being a part of the coordinator of the Denmark exchange program, I got the opportunity to visit the schools in the Copenhagen, our exchange partner. And over there, I enjoyed enjoyed viewing or observing the Model United Nations (MUN), and that time the debate which was going on various issues, that gave exposure to the student all over the world, and they could interact with the student from the other countries. The Copenhagen, they have exchange program with 15 schools from 15 different countries, and that was the exposure to the students. So they could explain themselves. They were well prepared. And how do they present their ideas before the exchange partners so that they are acceptable? So that experience was really enriching to the student. Then again, what ma'am said that they were cooking, actually the students were cooking in the exchange partner's house or vice versa when they used to come over here during our Ganpati festival. They were making momos, sweet momos. So and they were wearing, girls were wearing saris, boys were wearing kurta and pajama. So they really enjoyed, or even beating the drums, they also enjoyed. So that's how they could connect with each other, and this connect remained for many years. Now also they are good friends over and they talk over the telephone or through the mobile chat also. They are still connected, and that is how the relation developed. That was the best part of the exchange program which I observed. So this was the opportunity to prosper, learn each other's ideas, view, and basically working together. And that really helped our student to develop their self-confidence. Then they were ready to expose themselves to the world outside India and interacting with the exchange partner. So that really enriched the experience. And sometimes in the exchange program, it may happen that if a student has some idea about making career in a particular field, and if they come across a person or a school which is really focusing, or universities which are working on that part, then really they can start thinking that I have to make my career in that country, in that particular university. So that is also foundation of deciding their career, and that is additional help or additional advantage of being the partner of the exchange program. So it really increases the efficiency of the students, then personal responsibility. Student become independent and self-confident to get exposed to the world. So that was really a good advantage, and student enjoyed, and that is the outcome of the exchange program. That is what I personally feel. Even the publication of the books in which for which Dr. Savita Kedkar took a lot of initiative, and the book is published. We are very happy to publish this book, and this book will definitely help the next student, the forthcoming student of the exchange program, to prepare themselves, to understand the students' experience and accordingly prepare themselves. So I think this book is will be helpful, but again I think due to the national education policy which is now coming, we should go beyond now these boundaries, and we can explore the possibility of having the academic exchange also. So that will be more beneficial to the students and teachers of both the schools. And Deccan Education Society in September has started its own private university. So we should also now look forward to have exchange the academic program or even exchange program between the Deccan Education Society's private university and the universities in the Germany. So I think I'll conclude with this. Thank you very much for allowing me to express today. Thank you once again, and best wishes for the future exchange programs. Thank you so much.
When I look back, I think my childhood, it mattered because my father studied in Gujarat, he studied in Gujarat Medium School. I stayed at the border of Karnataka and Maharashtra. So I think as a child I started in exchange without knowing within the country, and we were trying many dishes and also different cultures. So I think it was easy for me to learn a new language. And because of that, I got a chance also to visit Japan. My son was student from Denmark, Copenhagen, so we visited Denmark. So, it's really great to visit such countries, even different states in India, and see what is different. When we say, oh, it's good or bad, it's so bad, if we say, oh, it's different, I think it makes a lot of difference. Thank you so much, dear sir. Now, may I request Advocate Ashok Palandi sir to say a few words. And after Ashok Palandi, if he had any plans to live and if he or she wants to come here and say just a minute or 2 minutes that how it was the experience and are they still in touch with their partners in Anti-Daily? I think Ujas Nagari is there, who was is he there? Or anybody else who would like to come here and say something?
एक्सचेंज कल्चरल प्रोग्रामच्या कार्यक्रमासाठी उपस्थित असलेले ॲडव्हाइस एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचे माझे अध्यक्ष डॉक्टर शरद कुलते सर, मार्कस एक्सचेंज डायरेक्टर ऑफ धनंजय कुलकर्णी सर, अन्ना हलन जर्नल एक्सचेंज कोऑर्डिनेटर डॉक्टर संगीता केळकर, डॉक्टर नितीन कुलकर्णी सर वाइस प्रिंसिपल, नारायण कुलकर्णी प्राचार्य, डॉक्टर नितीन केळकर सर आणि उपस्थित असलेले सर्व उपस्थित आहेत. मला वाटतं सर्वात प्रथम संगीता केळकरांचं अभिनंदन केलं पाहिजे. त्यांनी काळाची पावलं ओळखून जे ग्लोबलायझेशनमध्ये आपल्या इतर कंट्रीमध्ये जे काही एकमेकांचा संवाद व्हायला पाहिजे, त्यांची भाषा शिकली पाहिजे, तिथलं कल्चर शिकलं पाहिजे, आपलं कल्चर त्या लोकांना दिलं पाहिजे, अशा पद्धतीने जे केळकर मॅडमनी गेले 25-30 वर्ष हे आपलं फर्ग्युसन कॉलेज आणि जर्मनमधलं जे काही मॅक्स मुलर भवन आहे यांच्या बाबतीत जो आपण कार्यक्रम आयोजित करतो, खऱ्या अर्थानं मी त्यांचं अभिनंदन करतो की डेक्कन सोसायटीच्या फर्ग्युसन कॉलेजच्या प्राध्यापिका म्हणून त्यांनी कॉलेजच्या वतीने जो काही कार्यक्रम केलेला तो खऱ्या अर्थानं अभिनंदनीय आहे. आपल्या फर्ग्युसन कॉलेजला मला वाटतं 130 वर्ष पूर्ण झालेली आहे. त्या कॉलेजची जी परंपरा आहे, गौरवशाली परंपरा टिकवण्याचं काम मला वाटतं डॉक्टर संगीता केळकरांनी केलेलं. आपल्यामध्ये जे काही विद्यार्थी आहेत त्या विद्यार्थ्यांना परदेशात जाऊन आपल्या इथली जर्मन भाषा शिकून परदेशात जाऊन तिथं काही संधी उपलब्ध करता येते का, अशा पद्धतीने त्यांनी हा प्रयत्न जो केलेला आहे तो अतिशय चांगल्या पद्धतीने. जर्मनीमध्ये जे काही टेक्निकल स्टाफ कमी पडतोय किंवा बाकीचे सर्व कमी पडत आहेत, तर जे आपल्या इंडियामध्ये उपलब्ध आहेत त्या लोकांना बाहेर जाऊन काही आपल्याला संधी उपलब्ध करून देता येतील का, त्यांच्या आयुष्यामध्ये काही वेगळं आपल्याला काही करून देता येतं का, हा खऱ्या अर्थाने त्यांनी प्रयत्न केलेला आहे. त्याचप्रमाणे त्यांनी यासाठी आपल्या वेगळ्या शाळा आहेत, त्याच्यामध्ये एनिमे शाळा असेल, आयलादेवी शाळा असेल, अमनबाग शाळा असेल, हे पुणे शहरापुरतं मर्यादित न ठेवता आमच्या मुख्य शिरूर तालुक्यामध्ये एक मुख्य म्हणून गाव आहे, तिथे विजेंटेची एक आश्रमशाळा चालते. त्या आश्रमशाळेतल्या मुलांना सुद्धा जर्मन भाषा शिकून या कल्चरल प्रोग्राम मध्ये काही करता येईल का, अशा पद्धतीने त्यांनी गेले 2 वर्ष प्रयत्न करून आम्ही जानेवारीपासून त्या विद्यार्थ्यांना शिकवण्याचा एक प्रयत्न करतो. ते सुद्धा वर्ग त्यांनी जानेवारीपासून चालू केलेला आहे. मला वाटतंय की त्यांचे प्रयत्न हे खऱ्या अर्थानं अतिशय प्रशंसनीय आहे. त्यामुळे मी आपल्या सर्वांच्या वतीने त्यांना शुभेच्छा देतो की त्या रिटायर जरी झालेल्या असल्या तरी त्यांच्या कामामध्ये जी काही आत्मीयता आहे की आपल्याला काहीतरी नवीन नवीन करत राहायचंय, नवीन नवीन विद्यार्थ्यांना मुलांना काही द्यायचंय, हा प्रयत्न त्या करत राहतात. मी आपल्या सर्वांच्या वतीने शुभेच्छा देतो की त्यांनी असेच प्रयत्न करत राहावेत आणि जास्तीत जास्त लोकांना याच्यामध्ये सहभागी करून आपल्याला हे दोन्ही जर्मन आणि इंडियनचं जे कल्चरल आहे हे आपण चालू ठेवावं अशी सदिच्छा व्यक्त करून या ठिकाणी थांबतो. धन्यवाद.
Regarding this Mukhai, but I think I come from a small village and when I came to Pune in SP hostel I got a chance to study German. So I think it's a small village and because of now online we can teach anything and that's why I think it's possible. Any past student would like to come and share his thoughts, come past, anyone. तुम्ही येणार आहे का असं तर लगेच या. इथे कोण बोलताय? नाही. So we should like to say something regarding Heilbronn, no? Because you visited Heilbronn and now we will be again taking the MCC group to Germany. Yes, so it's happening. Okay, may I request Anna Han now to say Richard.
Namaste. Dear ladies and gentlemen and honorable guests, it's such an honor for me to be here today and to see you all again in your hometown Pune, dear exchange students and teachers, and also all other esteemed guests and well-wishers. I'm very grateful for the invitation by Dr. Savita Kelkar. My daughter Amelie and me, we enjoy staying with her and her family. Thank you, dear Mr. Dr. Kulkarni, and other esteemed members from management of the Ferguson College for inviting me to be a guest of the book publication. Savita and me, we first met in Vienna, in Austria, in 2022. At an international conference for German teachers, and it just happened by coincidence that she gave me her visiting card saying, let's meet in Heilbronn in September, so I could contact her later. And 1 month later we really met in Germany for a tea at the main station in Heilbronn. And although our conversation wasn't that long, the contact was so special and heartwarming that we decided to stay in touch. We both dreamt of a cultural exchange between the Ferguson College and the Helmholtz-Schule in Neuenstadt, and our dream came into reality because of the support of our principal, Mr. Rao, and the efforts taken by all the guest families, my colleagues and students in Germany as well as in Pune. And I would also like to especially mention the name of our honorable mayor of Neuenstadt, Mr. Konrad, who spared his valuable time and invited both the groups into the town hall in Neuenstadt last year. And last but not least, I would like to thank the parents of the Indian exchange students who sent their children to us and made the exchange possible. Although the duration of the stay was very short, it was so intense, right? and taught us so much. It opened our mind and created new friendships for the future. It also showed us that if you are just open-hearted, you can learn a lot from each other. And it's very interesting to have an insight into the everyday lives of other people, especially if the cultures are so different as German and Indian are. I'm very proud to welcome the next batch of 17 students and 3 teachers coming in June to the Helmholtz-Schule in Neuenstadt. We are happy to announce that we have found families for all of you. Unfortunately, our principal, Mr. Rao, can't be here today in person, but he sends his best wishes to all of you. Mr. Rao, all my colleagues, students with their families, and me, we all are eager to welcome you. I'm sure our ties will be stronger from year to year. Dear students and teachers of the next batch, see you soon in June in Germany. And my daughter Amelie would like to say something in Marathi at the end.
Namaste. Germany पुन्हा पेचवा. Germany पुन्हा पेचूया.
See, as a child you have so less inhibitions, and she has started learning, and then she tries to learn something from her husband Makaran, and Makaran, she teaches German, and then she says, oh, the pronunciation is wrong. See, they stay in Mul, and then she was saying, and she was teaching him. So it's really fun, and it's really wonderful to have both of them here. Actually, खुलते सराव को विनंती करते आणि मग कल्याणी होत असते.
नमस्कार. आता या ठिकाणी 2 वेगवेगळ्या सोव्हिनियर्स प्रकाशन झालं. जर्मन एक्सचेंज टूर्सला गेलेले सगळे विद्यार्थी समोर या निमित्ताने आहेत. केळकर मॅडमने जवळजवळ 25 वर्ष हा कार्यक्रम चालू ठेवलेला आहे. पुणे आणि जर्मनी यांच्यामध्ये एक कम्युनिकेशन निर्माण करण्याचा, आणि अशा प्रकारे वेगवेगळ्या वर्षांचं सोव्हिनियर पब्लिश करणं, त्या विद्यार्थ्यांना इथे बोलून फेलिसिटेट करणं, याच्या मागचा मला असं वाटतं उद्देश हाच आहे की हा प्रोग्राम पुढे नेणारी काही माणसं त्यांना शोधायचे, त्या प्रोग्राम पुढे चालू व्हायला पाहिजे. त्यामुळे खूप चांगला हेतू घेऊन हा विषय पुढे केला आहे. आता आपल्याकडे जे जर्मन पाहुणे आलेले आहेत ते आणखीन ऍडिशनल हेतू घेऊन आलेले आहेत. मग अशी बोलता बोलता त्यांनी असं सांगितलं की आम्ही शोधतो आहोत भारतामध्ये वेगवेगळ्या स्किल सेट्स मधले जे एक्सपर्ट्स आहेत त्यांना जर्मनीमध्ये ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज आहेत, चांगल्या नोकऱ्या मिळू शकतात, चांगलं पॅकेज मिळू शकतं. त्यामुळे अशा सगळ्या मंडळींना शोधणं, थोडंसं त्यांचं लँग्वेज अपडेट करून घ्यावी लागेल आणि मग त्यांना तिकडे घेऊन जावं, अशा स्वरूपाची कॅम्पेन चालू आहे. मला असं वाटतं की गेल्या काही वर्षांमध्ये भारत जो बदलतोय वेगाने, आतापर्यंत भारत फक्त बाहेरून घेण्याचं काम करत होता. म्हणजे वेगवेगळ्या वस्तू, तंत्रज्ञान, कल्चर सुद्धा बाहेरून घेण्यापर्यंत आपली धडपड चाललेली होती. आता आणखी उलट दिशेने प्रक्रिया मोठ्या प्रमाणात सुरू झालेली आहे की भारत आता द्यायला लागलाय जगातल्या सगळ्या देशांना. वस्तू देतो आहे, तंत्रज्ञान देतो आहे, त्यांच्या वेगवेगळ्या अडीअडचणींच्यासाठी म्हणून त्यांच्यापर्यंत मदतीचे वेगवेगळे स्रोत पोहोचवतोय. आत्ताच 3 देशांची तरी नावं मला माहिती आहेत. जपान आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये तैवान आहे, इस्रायल आहे. मोठ्या प्रमाणात नॉन टेक्निकल असे वर्कर्स त्यांनी भारतातून मागवले. कारण भारताचा माणूस उत्तम काम करतो, मनापासून काम करतो आणि त्याच्या कामाचा एक चांगला ठसा मार्गदर्शन जातो. जगभर चांगली प्रतिमा निर्माण झाली आहे. जर्मनीकडून किंवा युरोपाच्या अनेक देशांकडून आता आणखीन पहिली पुढची की टेक्निकली एक्सपर्ट असलेल्या, स्किल सेट असलेल्या माणसांची मागणी येते आहे. त्यांना पाहुण्यांना त्याची माहिती असेल की नाही माहिती नाही. देर इज वन कन्सेप्ट इन अवर कल्चर, एमआयटी. There is one concept in our culture known as Kalpavruksha. Whoever comes to that Kalpavruksha and wishes anything in the mind, Kalpavruksha has ability to fulfill that wish. That's why moment. Yeah, it is a very famous concept in our culture. Our Ferguson College is a Kalpavruksha. Whoever comes to us and asks for any wish to be fulfilled, we have an ability to complete that wish That is the history of 130 years. सगळं अशी जे इतिहास आपल्याकडे आलेले आहेत की अशा प्रकारे वेगवेगळ्या स्किलसेट मध्ये एक्सपर्ट माणसं बहिणी द्यावी. त्यांना बोलताना सांगितलं की आमच्या इथे अशा वेगवेगळ्या टेक्निकल कोर्सेस हे चालतात, त्याच्यापर्यंत आपण ही माहिती पोहोचवूया. थोडं भाषेचं ज्ञान झालं ते देऊया आणि निश्चितपणे ते सोबत घेऊन आलेले आहेत तेही आपलं युनिट पूर्ण करेल असं मी त्यांना या निमित्ताने भरोसा देतो. धन्यवाद.
Thank you so much, sir. May I request now Kalyani, now this science batch Kalyani and I are taking Ferguson group and Sonji Parke who have been to Haiwan twice. She and I will be taking BACC group. So both my colleagues and I will be going to Germany and we are looking forward. Yeah, Kalyani.
Ladies and gentlemen and my dear students, a very good evening to all of you. It is with immense pleasure and gratitude that I stand before you today to extend my heartfelt thanks on behalf of Ferguson College, Pune, for gracing us with your presence at this remarkable book publication event. A special acknowledgement goes to Mr. Marcus Bichela, Director Max Muller Bhavan, for constant support and guidance. I would like to express our deepest gratitude to Ms. Anna Khan, German School Partner Coordinator, for partnering the project wholeheartedly and coming all the way from Germany. We are honored to have been a part of this journey with you. With immense gratitude, I would like to thank Mr. Eric Rao, Honorable Principal of our partner school Helmut Schuler, who helps us in Germany with all the arrangements. As we get guidance and support in Germany from Mr. Eric Rao, we have strong support and guidance from the officials of Ferguson College and Deccan Education Society. And so I would like to extend our sincere gratitude to Dr. N.M. Kulkarni sir, Principal Ferguson College, Mr. Pramod Rawat, Chairman Deccan Education Society, Mr. Ashok Palande sir, Vice Chairman Deccan Education Society, Mr. Dhananjay Kulkarni, Secretary Deccan Education Society, and our former Chairman Dr. Sharad Kunte sir. I would also like to thank all my colleagues and non-teaching staff. Special thanks to Joshi Mama for light and sound arrangement, Chaitrani for beautiful photography, Sania for videography, Mr. Sanjay Mayekar and his journalist friends for excellent media coverage. I also thank everyone who supports us directly and indirectly. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all the students and their parents for their immense enthusiasm and contribution to make this exchange program successful. Thank you once again. Now let's go outdoors for a cup of tea.
Thank you so much. Now we can have a cup of tea and also interact with each other informally. Yeah, thank you so much.